far as perspective that's coming in, Manishi Rai Chowdhury, veteran investor, Nation Equities, discusses the outlook for financial year 2026 earnings. In fact, expects earnings trajectory to bottom out by Q4. Why does he think so? Listen.
Kind of a point of view, and I kind of partly tend to agree with that earnings estimate trajectory in India would bottom out in the second half of this year, possibly in the fourth quarter, and begin to move up, driven by a few variables. Number one, the additional cash that has been put in the hands of taxpayers, and there are more coming as far as the government workers are concerned, that will begin to have an impact on urban consumption at some point of time. Number two, this jumbo rate cut from the Reserve Bank of India, the cut to CRR, will begin to have an effect on liquidity and consumption and investments with a time lag. The monsoon seems to be good. Therefore, we don't have much of a concern about food inflation and even rural incomes. So I would think that, those would be some of the triggers when investors actually begin to see that earnings estimate upgrades are beginning to come through. That is when, I think the market would begin to move up on a sustainable basis. Before that, what India is going through is a classic time correction, which is actually not a bad outcome.
All right, time for a quick break. But on the other side, on Business at 9, we tell you what the Wall Street is looking like. Stay with us.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.